Hello, my name is Kylie and I'm a third-year student in Honors Psychology, and today I'm going to explain how to use the Prospective Major Chart. This chart will help you choose your classes for first year. Honors Arts students won't declare a major until the end of their first year, and the major is the subject you're most interested in studying. If you're in social development studies or global business and digital arts, you don't have to declare your major. You're already in it. But you're welcome to look at this chart to explore electives of interest. So first, you can click on your major of choice and it will expand to show you the courses you need in both fall and winter of your first year. It will also show you how many electives you can take. Students will normally take 5 courses each term in first year, and you might see when you look at the Prospective Major Chart, only 4 courses are listed. That's because all arts students have to complete 2 required courses in first year, Arts 130 and Arts 140, one in the fall term and one in the winter term. These are called Arts First courses. Arts First courses are meant to help you build skills in communication and analysis in a small class of only 25 students. They will include lots of activities and exercises that require communication, problem solving, and the kinds of skills necessary for demonstrating comprehension and effective decision making that you'll use throughout the rest of your university career. We really want you to be exploring a couple of different majors of interest. So when you're looking at the Prospective Major Chart, you want to choose courses from different areas that interest you. That usually means you're going to end up adding courses from a couple of different majors, and I will show you how to do that using the Prospective Major Chart. For example, if your first choice major is anthropology, but you think you might also be interested in history, you'll look at anthropology first to see what courses are required for the fall and the winter term. Once you know which courses to take for anthropology, then you would scroll down to look at what courses are suggested for your interest in a history major. If the Prospective Major Chart gives you an option for courses that you can take based on your major of interest and you're not sure what they are, then you can go to Other Resources on this page and click on Fall and Winter Course Descriptions. When you click on that link, it will bring up another chart that you can click on the subject areas to read course descriptions, and that will help you make your choice. The Prospective Major Chart will help you choose the right courses to keep all of your options open so you're ready to declare your major at the end of your first year. Your next step will be to use the chart to fill out your course approval form. To watch the video walkthrough of the course approval form process, follow the link in the video description below.